Most people waste money on a 3D printer that's either too slow, too complicated, or outdated within months. Please watch this video till the end, because today I'm revealing the top 5 best budget 3D printers, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one is the best overall choice for your money. Whether you're a beginner, hobbyist, student, or small business owner, this list is based on real-world print speed, reliability, ease of use, and long-term value, not marketing hype. Let's start the countdown from number 5. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 5. Flashforge F5M. The Flashforge Adventurer F5M is a high-speed Core XY FDM 3D printer capable of printing up to 600 millimeters per second, featuring fully auto-leveling and a 280 degrees Celsius direct drive extruder. Review highlights. This printer is extremely beginner-friendly with fast setup and reliable performance right out of the box. It's a great entry-level option for users who want speed without complicated calibration. Pros: up to 600 millimeters per second print speed, fully auto-leveling system, quick detachable nozzle design, easy to use for beginners. Number 4. Creality K2 SE. The Creality K2 SE is a solidly built high-speed 3D printer with 500 millimeters per second print speed, auto-leveling, and support for multicolor printing via CFS. Review highlights. This printer stands out for its metal construction and upgrade flexibility, making it ideal for users who want room to grow and experiment. Pros: 500 millimeters per second high-speed printing, strong metal frame, auto-leveling and direct drive extruder, expandable for multicolor printing. Number 3. Flashforge AD5X. The Flashforge AD5X multi-material version supports 4 color printing, offers 600 millimeters per second speed, and includes full auto calibration with filament backup support. Review highlights. This model is perfect for creators who want multicolor prints without paying premium prices. It boosts productivity while keeping operations simple. Pros: 4-color multi-material printing, 600 millimeters per second high-speed performance, automatic calibration, and filament backup for fewer failed prints. Number 2. Elegoo Centauri Carbon. The Elegoo Centauri Carbon features a Core XY structure, 500 millimeters per second print speed, a 320 degrees Celsius high-temp nozzle, and a built-in camera for remote monitoring. Review highlights. This printer is excellent for advanced materials and precision printing. The built-in camera and large build volume make it ideal for serious hobbyists and small workshops. Pros: 320 degrees Celsius nozzle for advanced filaments, built-in camera for monitoring, large 256 by 256 by 256 millimeters build volume, and ready to print out of the box. Number 1. Flashforge 3D. The Flashforge AD5X multicolor takes the top spot with its Core XY design, 600 millimeters per second print speed, one-click auto-leveling, and 300 degrees Celsius direct drive extruder, all packed into a highly efficient system. Review highlights. This printer delivers the best balance of speed, precision, ease of use, and multicolor capability in its price range. It's reliable, fast, and ideal for both beginners and experienced users. Pros: 600 millimeters per second ultra-fast printing, multicolor printing support, one-click auto-leveling, excellent accuracy and efficiency. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. After comparing print quality, speed, features, ease of use, and long-term value, the Flashforge AD5X multicolor 3D printer is the best budget 3D printer overall. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the links for the best prices. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.